The method is, the topic is general solution using variation of parameters. So let's do this example. This is the second example. Solved by variation of parameters. Y double prime minus 9y is equal 9x over e 3x. So let's follow the method of finding yp. So first it's already written, the equation is already written in the standard form. So all we need to do is find the complementary function yc. So how do we do that? We solve y double prime, the homogeneous one, minus 9y equals 0. Now this is what? This is the auxiliary equation is m squared minus 9 equals 0, which means m minus 3, m plus 3 is equal 0. So m1 is 3, m2 is negative 3, which means yc is equal c1e m1x, which is 3x, plus c2e m2x, which is negative 3x. So first we found the complementary functions. Now our y1 and y2, so then we need to find y1. Our y1 is supposed to be e 3x, our y2 is supposed to be e negative 3x, and then see those goes in here, and then we're going to assume that yp is equal to u1, the particular solution, u1 y1 plus u2 y2. So all we need to do is find u1 and u2. Find u1 in u2. Once you plug a yp prime and yp double prime into the we plug yp double prime into the equation and yp in the equation, we will have to solve this system of equation. We're right here. So y1 times u1 prime. Y1 is e3x. So e3x e1 prime plus y2 e negative 3x, so e negative 3x u2 prime equals 0, and then y1 prime, remember this is y1, so y1 prime is equal, derivative of e to the 3x is 3e 3x, so 3e 3x u1 prime plus derivative of y2, so y2 prime is negative 3e negative 3x, so this is minus 3e negative 3x u2 prime equal an f of x. Remember this f of x comes from here, whatever is on the right side. So this is our f of x. So that would be 9x over e 3x. Like I said before, previously we used elimination method. You can use elimination method here. It's not a big deal. Multiply this by negative 3, right? And then add, or let's use this time determinant. So determinant, we find that w, determinant method, w is always going to be y1, y2, these, the coefficient, these coefficients. And then from the bottom is going to be these. So 3, the coefficients of the second equation. 3e 3x minus 3e negative 3x. And then we multiply this way, we'll get minus 3e 3x times e negative 3x is e to the 0, which is 1. And then minus, we multiply this way, 3e 3x times e negative 3x is 3, which is negative 6. If you don't see it, let me write it. Minus 3 e 3x e negative 3x minus 3 e 3x times e negative 3x, which is negative 6. Now w1, we replace the left side by 0, f of x, which is 9x over e 3x, and the right side we keep it the same way. Now this is going to be 0 times that is 0 minus 9x over e 3x times e negative 3x, which is equal minus 9x e minus 3x. E minus 3x is e minus 6x. Now W2 is equal, now this time the 0 f of x goes to the right side, so this is going to be still y1. We're right here doing this, y1, y2, and then this will be 0 f of x. Now multiply this first, so e 3x times 9x over e 3x minus 0. Now this goes with this, so you get 9x. Now right there at this line, u1 prime is equal w1 over w, which is, here's the w1, minus 9x e negative 6x over, w is right here, negative 6, which is 9 over 6x e negative 6x, and then u2 prime is equal w2 over w, which is w2, which is 9x, make sure I didn't mess up yet, which is 9x over, and w is right here, minus 6, so it's minus 9 6x. Now let's find u1. So u1 is equal integral of u1 prime dx, which is integral of 9 over 6x. I'm getting u1 prime from here, e negative 6x. Well, we can use integration by part. Let's take 9 over 6 outside. So x, don't forget the dx, x e negative 6x dx. So now this is my u and this is my dv. So u is equal x, du is equal dx, dv is equal e negative 6x dx. So the v is easy, minus 1 over 6e negative 6x. So u1 is equal 9 over 6 factor uv, multiply these, minus x over 6 e negative 6x minus integral of v du, multiply these, so you get minus 1 over 6e negative 6x dx. So u1 is equal, I'm multiplying, 6 times 6 is 36. So minus 9 over 36x e negative 6x plus, well, I'm going to take this outside, plus 1 over 6 and then multiply it by 9 over 6. So it's going to be plus 9 over 36 integral of e minus 6x dx. Let's simplify this. u1 is equal minus 9 over 2x is minus 1 divided by 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So this is going to be 4x e negative 6x. Same thing here, 1 over 4. Now remember, you can use substitution, or we're missing minus 6. See, we're missing minus 6 for the dv. So if you multiply by negative 6, you need to divide by negative 6. So this is u du. So u1 is equal minus 1 over 4x e negative 6x minus 1 over 24 e to the u, which is minus 6 x. Remember, you don't use a constant for u1. So that's a u1. u2 is easier. You don't have to use integration by parts. u2 is integral of u2 prime dx, which is integral of minus 9 over 6x dx, which is minus 9 over 6 x squared over 2. So u2 is equal to minus 9 over 12 x squared. u2 is divided by 3, you get minus 3 over 4 x squared. Now from here it's pretty easy. yp we said is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2. So u1 is right here is a u1, and then y2. What is a y2? y2 is e negative 3x. So I'm going to multiply e negative 3x by u1. Plus u2 times y2 is u2 here. y2, well, y1 is actually e3x. So this is positive 3x. And then y2 is e negative 3x. And it's times u2. So let me rewrite it. So yp is, if I multiply, negative 1 over 4x. E minus 6x plus 3x is negative 3x. Minus 1 over 24 e, 3x minus 6x is minus 3x. Minus 3 over 4 x squared e, negative 3x. Now what is a y? Y is equal to yc plus yp. yc we said it's c1e 3x plus c2e negative 3x plus, this is a yc, yp is negative 1 over 4 xe negative 3x minus 1 over 24 e negative 3x minus 3 over 4 x squared e negative 3x. Now I can add, see these, you can add these, this one and that one, and you get just another constant. c1 minus 1 over 24 is another constant. So let's just call it c1 or c3 or whatever you want to call it. Let's just call it c1. It's not the same c1 as this, but so well, no. Yeah, actually adding that one and this one. So this is going to be c1e 3x. Let me rewrite it. So if I add this one and that one, I'll get c2 minus 1 over 24 e negative 3x, and then the rest can't do anything about it. It's minus 1 over 4 xe negative 3x minus 3 over 4 x squared e. So I can call this any other constant. Let's call it c3. Y is equal to c1e 3x. Even though you can call it c2, it looks better than c3. Let's just call it c2. c2e negative 3x minus 1 over 4 xe negative 3x minus 3 over 4 x squared e and negative 3. So it's kind of like instead of using c3, I'm just using c2. So that's it, and that's it for this problem.